Next up we have, making her second appearance for her second song, Baby Blue. Make some noise for Young Jaii. Young Jaii.
Me I go do it for a millionaire, till me turn a millionaire. Me really no care you hear, until me winnings appear. The shell I got on the stage like the feeling of tears, the feeling of fame. Do it for a millionaire, till me turn a millionaire. Me really no care you hear, until my winnings appear. The shell I go run the place like the spilling of tears, the feeling of fame. Me now wait till my dead first made stuff. So me have to write till the pen broke them must. Caught me like census, you're not listening, so silencio. Meds no beg you fi turn up the tempo, Benz truck, and with a Ferrari ends up, park on the end so the ends up, till me get more degrees no Celsius. El President, so I do it for a millionaire, till me turn a millionaire. Me really no care you hear, until me winnings appear. The shell I go around the place like the spilling of tears, the feeling of fame. Do it for a millionaire, till we turn a millionaire. We really no care you hear, until me winnings appear. The shell I go around the place like the spilling of tears, the feeling of fame. Watch out, until me casket, me just a drop hits, cross your back with a map stick. Wait, lyrics me got this, me just want the break, me dying for 2 maxes. Then me one cup of factory, or if not me, go and run off cup of taxi. And me I beg you pull a lock quick, you know that me I go learn the trade of a locksmith. Do it for a millionaire, till me turn a millionaire. Me really no care you hear, until me when it appear.
Do it, my son, do it!
Let's have that one as his first performance, and in the meantime, let's hear what the judges have to say about Young Jaii.
Young Jaii, you're bringing sexy back. I love it. You're giving me, I don't like to compare, but you're giving me a massacre feeling. I love the fact, say, yes, you did, with his sexy body. So I love the fact that you did it acapella, right? You see, say, you know, like a technical difficulty, and you come out, you have stage presence, you do it to the million here. Hey. So I love it. So it's gonna be a 9 for me. Oh, it never finished? Never did?
Yeah man, you did for both, but I kind of feel away from night me out here.